November of 2022, October of 2022, February of 23. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Tori if you're new here, and today I'm going to show you what I got at my local discounted grocery store. A lot of these items are near the end of expiration and or they've already expired, and I feel very comfortable feeding my family that. I do this so I can stock my pantry on a budget, and that's what we do here on the channel. If you were into that kind of thing, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I'm going to get you turned around and show you the haul, and I'm going to list the price next to each item. I'd love to know if any of you shop like this for yourself or your family, so comment down below and introduce yourself if you're new. And without further ado, let's get right into the haul. If you're new here, we do have our staple goods and pantry. So a lot of these are more convenience and or things that we may buy once or twice a month. And this store is new to me, so I was very interested to go in there. I did have both kids, so I felt a bit rushed. I can't wait to go back and see what else I can get. This store kind of compares to a Benton Dent, but all I did was Google local discounted grocery stores, and this one popped up. It was the only one near me. I live in a pretty rural area, so it was a little tricky, but we are going to start over here. They do have typical staples like milk, cheese, and bread, and they also have a very large produce section. So I was excited to find that. We did just pick up a few things that were, I don't know, a better price than our grocery store that we would normally pick up there. So we did get some bananas. My husband got 4 of those, and I found a pineapple as well, just to add to our little fruit stash. I will say I found some Whole Foods items, and I was excited. If you're new here, I love Whole Foods. But of course, it's really tricky to go to when you're on a budget. So basil pesto, this was a great price. Next up, I found the Cascadian Farms Organic Powered by Plants. I love the ancient grains rice broccoli. Typically in stores, these are $6.99, but I was really excited to find the farro and black barley blend because it has 6 grams of fiber in there and it has some protein. So I was excited to find those. I picked up 2 of those. And then I got some organic cream top whole milk. I was very excited to find that. You might hear me say that in just about every haul when it comes to discounts, but this expires March 4th, and we definitely will go through this. If not, I will freeze one of these and we will be just fine, although it's a half gallon. So it was a great price. I'm happy we picked up 2 of those. Next up, we got some organic thin and crispy twist of lime tortilla chips. We go through a ton of those. My son loves them, and I love the Que Pasa brand just because it's really tasty and they have the thin and crispy blend. Next up, we have some Kerrygold butter. That's going to go right into the freezer because we actually have some in the fridge, but this was a phenomenal price and I couldn't pass it up. They had a lot of different butters there, but Kerrygold's one of my favorite, and whenever it's on sale, I try and grab it. These soft-baked milk bar cookies, I was intrigued by these. Not the, best ingredients, but I see these all the time, so let's check it out. Yeah, if you just ignore those ingredients, then you'll be fine. But I thought it would be nice for my husband to take with him. But they're soft baked cookies, so I thought they would love the confetti blend. Next up, I've been craving barbecue chips, but I needed something with some good ingredients. So I was excited to find these. I grabbed 2 of those. And then I found the Izio rustic potato sourdough. I haven't found this in so long, and it will last a while, but if it doesn't, then we're going to put this in the freezer. It was $1.99. Typically these are like $8.99, so I was really excited to find the Izio Artisan Bakery. I can find these at my King Supers for a very discounted price as well, so you could opt for that if you have one near you. That's Kroger here in Colorado. And then I did get some organic breakfast blend coffee, and I love Arabic coffee, and it was nice to find these. They had a ton of different organic coffee blends, so I was pleasantly surprised to find a variety that I could choose from. Next up, the Kerrygold cheese. I Yes, I like Kerrygold cheese as well as the butter, and it was a phenomenal price. So I got the aged cheddar, and then I just got the classic, and these will be great for casseroles this week. Again, cheese freezes really well, so if we don't go through it, we're going to definitely throw that in the freezer. Dairy gets a little tricky when it comes to expiration, so you got to keep your eye on that. But a lot of these processed and packaged foods, they are fine well past their date, if not indefinite for some of these. And if you wanted to, you could put these in your long-term storage by putting them in Mylar bags, or however you like to do your long-term storage. You could do some 5-gallon buckets, but really depends on you. I got the Annie's organic confetti pancake and waffle mix, just like this. It is vegan, organic, non-GMO. Again, a lot of strange ingredients in there, but this is a great price for how much you get. So we went ahead and grabbed a box of that. And then next up, I got the late July chia and quinoa crackers. I see these all the time in the store, and I could never justify paying the price that they charge for these for 6 ounces. So I was pleasantly surprised to find this, and I'm excited to actually try them now. Another item that I've always wanted to try, the purple carrot plant-based elote bowls. I have heard the creamy lime sauce is really delicious, and this is a great base for a lot of meals, so I'm excited to try this. Typically in my stores they're $6.99, so it's really tricky to find them under $6 even with a coupon, so I grabbed one of those. The kids love bars, but I am not really a huge fan of the ingredients. So if we're going to have any sugar, I'd rather it be after breakfast. So this is how we're going to start our day now. We have no added sugar, sweetened with fruit, blueberry vanilla chewy bars. And the kids love bars because they are constantly on the go. So we grabbed 2 packs of those. I did find some Applewood smoked bacon for my husband. I wasn't sure about meat prices. I don't eat meat, so it's hard for me to see, I guess, I don't know, the value in the discount, but this was a good price compared to bacon that I've seen at Kroger, if that makes sense. So I grabbed that. It is frozen and it will easily thaw in the refrigerator, but we'll probably leave it in the freezer for a rainy day. Next up, we got some non-GMO golden russet potatoes. I was excited to find the golden russet. It definitely is a different, oh, there's my dirty crock pot. It definitely is a different flavor compared to a typical russet or a typical golden. I don't know if it's a hybrid breed. You'll have to let me know in the comments if you know, but this is from Washington. So yay, we needed potatoes. They're a staple in my kitchen and we always have them. Next up, organic Gala apples. I prefer Honeycrisp or Macintosh, but I will take what I can get when it comes to organic apples, and this was a phenomenal price. This is a Safeway brand, the O Organics, so I don't shop there a lot, but I was happy to find these apples. And that's all we got. I will put the total on the screen. I, again, am just excited that this one was semi-close to me, so I can't wait to go back when I just have a little bit better of a focus, if you know what I mean. If you go to the store with 2 toddlers, it's a little tricky here, but I'm going to get this put away, and yeah, I'm happy I showed you my tiny discount grocery haul of the week. Alrighty, my friends, that is going to do it for today's video. I know it was super short, but I just couldn't help myself. I was too excited to show all of you. If you are new here, again, we'd love it if you hit that subscribe button. Give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And if you are new, I'd love to get to know you. So if you feel comfortable, go ahead and introduce yourself in the comments down below. We're a fun community. We're a positive community. So I hope this inspired you. It motivated you to shop on the cheap and really start second guessing those expiration dates, because a lot of food out there can go way past and you can get them at a discounted price. If you're ever in a bind, or maybe you just want to save some money for yourself and your family, this is a great option. As always, stay adventurous, stay creative. I'll catch you on the next one. Bye, y'all.